Hello my very friends, welcome to Love It by Andrea. On our video today, I am going to be unboxing Ipsy Bag of May. Let's get started. I really loved the Ipsy Bag of May. First, because the zipper, you can actually wide open the bag. The bag has a water resistant material, and also on the inside it's kind of a plastic. And another thing is that it has stamps, passport stamps, and that makes me want to travel more. Who doesn't like to travel, right? I really love to travel, but let's get back to the products. The first product is from, let me put this here, is from Elizabeth Mott. The Pop Goes the Shadow in the shade Goldie. So this one, it is a beautiful gold, shimmery gold. This. Let me swatch here. See how beautiful it is? Gorgeous. The next product, it is from Effect. This is the first time that I heard about this brand. This is a micro exfoliant. The third product, it is from Tony Moly or Tony Moly. This is a Korean brand, South Korean brand, and this is a facial mask, and I was reading about it, and it comes in 5 different colors that targets specific issues that you are having with your skin. You can also mix them, some colors together to boost something. I'm going to leave everything explained on my blog, okay? Please check it out. The fourth product, it is from Tarte, and it is the Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Finishing Powder. This one here. And you guys know that I love Tarte. Their products are amazing. And the last product, it is from Ades. I don't know how to pronounce it. Ades or Ades New York, but I think that it's Ades New York. Is this beautiful nail polish, and I am wearing another one, but this one, I think that the shade is Gunmetal, is the same from the same brand. And this one, the shade is Oh Cabana Boy, and actually it's a bluish, but every time that you take pictures it looks like kind of purplish, but it's not, it's blue. I love their product. So this nail polish, it has a gel, like a gel effect. So it's gonna last longer than the normal nail polish, but it's all going to depend how many times a day you wash your hands, you know, this kind of stuff. So, but it lasts longer than the normal nail polish. So this is beautiful. Guys, I hope you guys liked this video. If you like it, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? See you next time. Bye!